is How-Tos with Aaron.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some siding. This is HardiePlank siding, and got a repair going on here. So if you're filling into a spot where there wasn't siding before and you've got a line like this, you want to kind of break up the seams there so it's not a whole straight line of joints. And I can do it here, got it in different places. There are siding nails that you use to secure it, and it overlaps in here. Basically what happens is you start at the bottom, and then your next one is going to overlap it about 1 inch, and that's going to cover up your nails. In any weird kind of spots, like over here, I had to tuck this one under the existing siding. It is okay to have a nail underneath where it overlaps down here, because the caulk and the paint will cover it. Once I've got all of the siding up, I'm going to caulk underneath where they connect on every spot, and all of my joints also are going to get caulked. To cut it, I've got a skill saw with a diamond blade on it, and when I'm ready to make my cut, I get my measurement. Like for this one, we've got 78 1/4. The pieces are long, so I've got it in my trailer here where it's holding it nice and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it in the trailer here where the piece is nice and flat. Because when I bring it out here to cut, it's going to bend like that, and you don't want to be measuring like this because your measurement can get off with the bow. So that's a little helpful trick. Then I've got my framing square. Square off my measurement. I'm ready to cut. It can be tricky to do by yourself because it's long and you've got to have each end in the right spot, but there's always a way around it. So I've got my measurement of what it is when I measure from the top of the last one to the next one. This is 8 1/4, so I want it to overlap 1 inch. So down here I'm going to put a mark at 7 1/4. Let's do one in the middle too. And one down at this end. Let's go ahead and get my first nail started. Just some good taps so that your nail doesn't bend. Got it right on my mark. Sometimes if the piece is longer, your first nail will have to be in the middle. When you're putting your nail in, you want to try to make sure you're hitting a stud behind the OSB. And one nail every other stud is enough to keep it in place. Now I've just got to keep going the rest of the way up, get some caulk on there and some paint, and I'm good to go. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Be blessed.